I mean, I love recording videos in the morning, and I have to say this, that so far I've always spoken about books and books by other authors. So I thought today, for a change, I might as well speak about this book that I wrote. It's called When a Lawyer Walks Down the Aisle, and you can find it on Amazon. It's if you have Amazon, that Kindle, which is 149 bucks per month or something, all 80 of my books, more than 80, they you can read it free, but this particular book, When a Lawyer Walks Down the Aisle, it's basically based on this double murder that took place in Hyderabad a few years ago. So it's a very it involves the paranormal, and I think among all the books I've written so far, this one has like a very definite plot. And I had written this book when I was expecting my little kid. So in the acknowledgements, I mentioned that it's basically been written by my unborn baby, because I read over 100 books and wrote this novel, all the while expecting my child. So so that's what. But When a Lawyer Walks Down the Aisle, people, you can find it on Amazon. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.